Okay, I have another scrapbook for you that I've made with the Paper Phenomenon style. I've purchased a few tutorials, and so this one I've pretty much just freestyled. This one's for my good friend Dave, and he wanted me to make him a book of his cars that he's had over the years. So here we go. Inside cover. And I'm sorry I don't remember the paper collection. I got it on a clearance rack. I've got these really cool journaling cards that he can write the information about each particular car. And then I've made a pocket that opens up to display. And there again, a journaling spot. And that just slips around that. And then on this side, kind of like a waterfall, they flip up. And then this over here on this side. And now here I have made an insert pocket album. There again, another one of his cars. These actually slide in and out of these pockets for him to write the information about the vehicle. And I've purchased some Hot Wheels stickers to go through the album. One thing I wish I maybe would have done different is the punch I used for the pockets with the points. It makes it a little harder to get the pages in and out. The daisies kind of reminded me of wheel spokes. This is a landscape waterfall. There again, this one's convertible. And turn the page, and then I have another pocket album. This one slides out. Small waterfall on the front, and then another inside, and there's that one. Really like this paper collection. It was fun with the metallics. It gives a nice pizzazz to this album. And wanted to kind of make this size so that it would fit in a photo box. And then on this side, first time I've tried using a magnet. There's a journaling card. The magnet's hid under here. And then there again, he can journal about the car. But then magnet's there and it just stays shut. And then I embellish with these big paper clips just for fun. And then back here I have another pull-out photo album. That one's a little tighter. And then this is a trifold. No pockets on this one. Then I just used a tag punch to make the pull. And it slides back in. And this is his current car. And I've left another spot for a future vehicle. And then could put on the back as well. So this is it. This is my Hot Wheels album for my friend Dave. Hope you enjoyed it.